I've just been walking along this little bit of the coastal path in Cornwall. As you can see, I'm right next to the coast. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Really gorgeous, actually. That's what it looks like out there. That's what the coast looks like. The tide's quite far out right now, but I think it's on its way in. But the path is a bit worn. It's very skinny here, as you can see. It hasn't been used for, well, this season certainly. And the reason is this here. Look, the path. Dumpy, you go along here, look, and then it just stops. It just stops, look, and then off it goes into the sea. There's landslip. In fact, it's in the process of slipping again. As you can see, I've got the gaping crack there, look. So this whole piece of land is just taking a gravitational ride towards the ocean. Bang! Ah, fantastic that. So I don't know, I'll have to go back and find a path higher up. So I'm heading over that way towards that little beach there, and you can see it. Not even sure if I can get down it, but I'll give it a go. And I might carry on walking because there's a little town called Porth Town. It's about 2.5 miles that way. So I might try and get that far, but obviously I can't get past this particular landslip. It's fascinating, that, I think. I mean, for me at least. Again, this is I'm just monitoring my experiences of being in this environment as opposed to my other environment. It's that kind of thing which really stands out, you know. That it has this, not exactly a temporary quality, because obviously we're talking thousands and tens of thousands of years while the process of this coastal erosion is taking place. But you know, normally you don't see it. You know, at least I don't see it when I'm living in Cheshire or other places I've lived. You know, you can see, excuse me, you can see the cycling of time, and you can see things passing. You can see the rising and falling of the seasons and that kind of stuff. But you don't have this kind of day-to-day confrontation with millennia, you know, and the process of things like erosion, which are so different. You know, the kind of erosion that produced that big rock down there, look at that. You know, just the waves crashing in and out. Presumably that was on here at one point, that would be joined up. But at some point it's all slipped away, and then the sea's done its thing around it and carved caves in it, and boulders are smashed against it, or pebbles and rocks are smashed against it for millions of years, and I'm making this object here and those objects over there. I'd like to see one of those, you know, like if Cornwall was Noah. You know that thing, Noah takes a picture of himself every day for 6 years? That very famous YouTube meme thing that people have copied endlessly. It'd be great if Cornwall could do that. Cornwall takes a picture of itself every day for 6 million years. You'd just see the coastline doing this. Bits of it rising and falling. Like growing a beard. Growing up, really. Growing up.